So Idalia is now 2 hours east, and Tropical Storm Jose, as of the 11 a.m. advisory, has now formed just south and east of Franklin. Now, overall, Jose is not expected to impact the United States, but something interesting is still happening nevertheless. Because Franklin and Jose are very close, as we move over the next day or so, Jose is actually going to be absorbed by Franklin in a phenomenon known as the Fujiwhara Effect. Yeah, say that 10 times fast. Basically, the effect is as follows. When two hurricanes spinning in the same direction pass close enough, they begin an intense dance around their common center. This dance is also sometimes known as the dance of death. And as you can see, the smaller hurricane or tropical system will typically rotate around the bigger system. And eventually, the bigger system, in this case, Hurricane Franklin, will be absorbed by the smaller one, or the bigger one. So that's what will turn Franklin probably into a stronger hurricane, and will get rid of overall Tropical Storm Jose. In fact, this hasn't happened since 2017, when Hillary and Irwin did the same thing out in the Pacific Ocean. Once again, that moved westward, and it was not enough in a direct effect to the United States as a whole. But that's what's going on out in the Atlantic Ocean. And meanwhile, here in central Georgia, mostly blue skies, and it felt pretty nice this morning with those dew points dropping a little bit lower and temperatures down just a little bit. 85 now here in Macon. Dew point is sitting at 71.